Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an oil-free, healthy potato sandwich which can be made in just under 5 minutes. And it's a super filling and tasty evening snack. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make healthy and oil-free potato sandwich, first let's make green chutney, and for that into my chutney grinder I'm adding in a handful of coriander leaves, a small handful of mint leaves, about 15 to 20 mint leaves, 5 shallots, also known as cherryulle in Malayalam. You can use 1/4 of an onion instead of shallots. I like to use shallots in my recipes for that extra iron and folate. So if you have iron deficiency, anemia or hair fall issues, try to include shallots in your diet. 1 green chilli, squeeze in half a lemon, pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon jeera powder, 1/3 teaspoon dry mango powder, a fat pinch of black pepper powder to help the turmeric absorb faster into your body, a small piece of ginger, and to help it all blend very well, I'm adding in about 1 tablespoon of water and grind this. Okay, now the green chutney is ready and it has ground really well. 2 servings of this healthy, filling and nutrient dense potato sandwich can be had as a filling meal for breakfast or lunch. To assemble the sandwich, I have already boiled a small potato. I'm using 2 whole wheat bread, spreading the green chutney on both the slice of the bread. And guys, I have already shared a moringa weight loss green chutney recipe. Links will be updated below this video. You can check it out. And now I'm drizzling in 1 teaspoon of the oil-free mayo on each slice of bread. So that is 2 teaspoons of the oil-free mayo. Just lightly spreading it out. I have already shared the recipe of oil-free mayonnaise. The links will be updated below this video, and I have shared many recipes with this oil-free mayonnaise like oil-free egg sandwich, oil-free paneer paratha, oil-free boiled vegetable salad and oil-free vegetable salad. All the recipes are updated in a playlist titled oil-free mayonnaise recipe. The links will be updated below this video and also at the end card. So please do check it out. Now, since the oil-free mayonnaise has healthy fats, you don't need any extra oil or fat when you're using the oil-free mayonnaise. I'm using 3 slices of the boiled potato and I'm placing 2 slices in the center and 2 small slices on the sides. So for one sandwich, I'm using half of the boiled potato. And I'm drizzling in some of the green chutney over the potato, sprinkling in a fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt. And lastly, I'm placing in 1 slice of tomato. You can also use a homemade tomato sauce instead of fresh tomato. And for some added greens, I'm placing lettuce leaf and cover it with the other slice. And healthy and oil-free potato sandwich is ready to serve. Slice it into half. So guys, do try this healthy potato sandwich and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.